This program is geared to any person, individual, that has the passion for cooking. We will teach the rest. It's simple as that. We have the leading edge technology, the world-renowned faculty. When you leave this college, you'll be ready to start on day one right in the job. Our strength is culinary.
When you come into the program, you're not really sure what it means to be a chef. At least I didn't. But to come here and learn the mother sauces and the different techniques and the different ways to prepare vegetables and the different cuts and practice those day in and day out to get the basic techniques and standards that you need to have to really function well in a professional kitchen, it really sets you up for the success you need to start your career.
If you really want to get into the industry, you really want to learn, Humber is a place to be, for sure. It taught me not only in the classroom, but outside in the actual workplace. At Humber, I really learned why I'm doing the things I'm doing at a workplace. And I think that's what most people need. They need to learn how to walk before they can run.
Right now is a fantastic time to learn. We are fielding calls every day for really high quality baking and pastry shops that need and want trained students. It's pushing the industry to the next level. The students are being able to go out and find these careers that are very fulfilling, allow them to work on their skilled trade, and oftentimes, see the world as well. We have many students that go abroad for their internship experiences and choose to work abroad, and it really works for them.
It's an amazing environment to be in overall. I have peers doing the same program with me from all over the world, so you get to learn about different cultures. They're amazing instructors. They will go through things 10 times if they have to make sure you get it right. It's just a really, really good place to be. I love it.
At Humber, we're focused on developing the skills and getting you ready for the industry, but what nobody will tell you is it's a ton of fun. We're always enjoying what we do. I tell my students every day, how can you be in a bad mood when you're baking?
As a student, when I was coming in, I said to myself, I'm going to take every single opportunity that I can. I think that's where I did some of my best learning. The number one thing from that was competitions. You're aiming for perfection, and in a very short time span and in a very clean work environment. The mentorship that I received through that program was excellent. Humber supported me in my training, and that was just priceless.
The art form that they teach here is something that just gets better with repetition. And at Humber, when you have 15 plus classes, you really start to get a knack for what you're doing, whether that be chocolate work in sculptures or sugar work in sculptures, or even just a simple how much water goes in this dough for a bread. It's something that even the masters are still mastering, and I hope to master one day as well.